Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable a color filter on your PlayStation 5 and adjust the color with some settings. So we can go to settings right here and go to accessibilities. And then go on down under this menu until we get to where it says color correction. Adjust the colors to help you see things on the screen more clearly. So we can select this and just enable it. And we have a couple different color filters under here. This is mostly for people with color deficiencies, but we have grayscale, red green, green red, and blue yellow. So we can look at this. And if you can see the different color pigments in there, you might notice that some are a little bit more clear when you switch between these different options. And then you have the option for the different intensities right here on the bottom. So if you want just a little bit, just use the slider and go all the way to the right. Then another thing that we can do is go back under this menu and go to where it says screen and video. And then under here, we can adjust the HDR color under here. So this is just going to allow you to fine tune the high dynamic range. You're just going to have to increase or decrease the image for the brightness and see which one is probably the best for you and your setup. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.